Now introduction to the practical to perform the pre-emphasis circuit. For that reason, we should know what actually the board says. This is trainer board made by Hitech. The circuit, that is differentiator circuit, has been given to one of the op-amp operational amplifier, and the output is shown. This is output. This is the positive one. This is negative one, or you can call it a ground. And same way we can have the input. This is input, that is AC input, and this is ground. With respect to this two terminal, we have to give the input, and with respect to this two terminal, we have to connect the output. Okay. Now from where we'll get the input? So input comes from the functionator. This is functionator. This is the functionator, and this is the frequency range. You can set the frequency range by pressing this button and by wearing this dial. So this dial is to set the frequency. You can set the frequency by pressing this button and set the dial. And now the amplitude. For amplitude, you have to set this particular knob. We can have the amplitude variation starts from 0 to 0.2 volt, then 0.2 to 2 volt, and then 2 to 20 volt. And you can coarse tune this, and you can fine tune this, and you can set the amplitude. So this is for the amplitude, this is for the frequency, and this is for the sine wave, triangular wave, and the pulse, whichever the input you want to set. And now how to connect the circuit? First you have to connect the probe to functionator, and output of the functionator, the positive one must be connected to the positive of the board at the input side, and negative must be connected to negative on the board on the input side. And now the output, how the output is being connected? The output must be connected to a multimeter. The voltage, this one must be connected to positive one, and the common of the multimeter must be connected to ground.